In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build reporting systems in Jotform using Claude AI. Start by logging into your Jotform account so you can access your forms, tables, and reporting tools. Once you are inside your workspace, open Claude AI in a separate tab or window so you can use it to help structure the system. Before generating anything, define your reporting goal clearly. Decide what kind of information you need to collect, which metrics matter most, and how you want the final report to look. This may include categories, totals, dates, team performance, project status, or any other data points that are important for your workflow. Next, ask Claude AI to create the reporting form for you. Use this prompt: create a reporting system directly in my Jotform account with structured forms, categories, metrics, and summary fields. Make it clear, organized, and reporting ready. This gives Claude AI a clear direction and helps it produce a form structure that is easy to use and easy to report on later. After the form is generated, return to Jotform and review everything carefully. Make sure the layout is clean and that the fields match your reporting needs. Check that the form is organized in a way that makes data entry simple and consistent. Then add or refine the reporting fields. Include key performance indicators, number fields, date fields, category selections, and note sections where needed. These fields are what make the system useful for tracking and analysis, so keep them practical and relevant. Once the form is ready, use Jotform tables to store and organize the submission data. This gives you a central place to review entries, sort records, and manage the information collected through the form. From there, move into Jotform Report Builder to turn your submission data into charts, summaries, and visual reports. Choose the views that best represent your data so the final report is clear and useful. If your reporting system needs automation, add logic and calculations. You can use these tools to calculate totals, generate dynamic values, or guide users based on previous answers. This helps reduce manual work and improves accuracy. After setup is complete, test the entire system. Submit sample entries, review how the data appears in tables, and confirm that the reports display correctly. Make any final adjustments to the form, logic, or report layout. When everything looks good, publish and share the form with your team, clients, or users. Your reporting system is now ready to collect information and turn it into organized insights. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.